You downloaded a weight loss app, used it for like 3 days, then stopped. Yeah, because most apps look good, but don't actually fit your life, and that's the real problem. It's not that weight loss apps don't work, it's that you're probably using the wrong one for you. Right now, there are hundreds of weight loss apps, calorie trackers, AI coaches, workout apps, habit trackers. It's honestly kinda overwhelming. So instead of listing random apps, let's break down the best ones, what they actually do, and who they're really for. Because the best app isn't the most popular one, it's the one you'll actually stick with. But why weight loss apps even matter? Let's keep it real. Most people don't fail weight loss because they're lazy, they fail because they're inconsistent. They guess calories, they forget what they ate, they lose track after a few days. That's where apps come in. They give you structure, they keep you accountable, and honestly, they make the whole process easier. 1. MyFitnessPal. Let's start with the big one. MyFitnessPal is basically the king of calorie tracking, and there's a reason it's still on top. It has one of the largest food databases out there. You can track calories, macros, workouts, all in one place. You scan barcodes, log meals, track progress. Simple. But here's the real deal. This app works best if you're serious. If you're someone who wants numbers, data, and full control, this is your app. But if you hate logging food every day, yeah, you'll probably quit too. Lose it. It's best for simplicity. Now if MyFitnessPal feels too much, Lose It is like the chill version, cleaner interface, easier tracking, less overwhelming. It still tracks calories, macros, and goals, and has a massive food database too. But the vibe is simpler, less stress, more beginner-friendly. If you're just starting your weight loss journey, this one hits different. 3. Healthify. Best for coaching. This one's more like having a coach in your pocket. Healthify combines calorie tracking with coaching, meal plans, and lifestyle tracking. You can log meals, track sleep, water, workouts, and even get personalized plans. So it's not just numbers, it's guidance. This is perfect if you feel lost and need direction. Not just track your calories, but here's what you should actually do. 4. Fisha. AI Smart Tracking. Now we're getting into the future. Fisha uses AI to track your food, adjust your plan, and even suggest meals. You can log food by typing, voice, or even photos. And it adapts based on your progress. That's the cool part. It's not static, it evolves with you. If you hate manual tracking, this feels way easier. 5. FitHub. Best for lazy tracking. Let's be honest, tracking food manually is annoying. That's why apps like FitHub exist. You literally take a picture of your food, and it estimates calories and macros. Super fast, super convenient, but yeah, not always 100% accurate. Still, if convenience is your priority, this is a game changer. 6. CalApp. Smart Simple. This one sits right in the middle. CalApp gives you photo tracking, voice logging, macro tracking, custom calorie goals. Basically, it's a smart tracker without being overwhelming. Good balance between simplicity and features. So what actually matters? Here's something most people don't tell you. The app doesn't make you lose weight. Your habits do. Apps just help you stay consistent. And research shows the effectiveness depends on how well the app fits your lifestyle. So instead of asking, which app is best, ask, which app will I actually use every day? Let's break it down real quick. MyFitnessPal best for serious tracking, Lose It best for beginners, Healthify best for coaching, Fisha best AI adaptive plans, FitHub best for quick tracking, CalApp balanced option, different tools for different people. There's no one size fits all here. Let's talk biggest mistakes people make. Let's call these out. 1. Downloading too many apps. 2. Switching every week. 3. Tracking for 3 days, then quitting. 4. Obsessing over perfection. You don't need the perfect app, you need consistency. If I had to keep it simple, beginners Lose It, serious tracking MyFitnessPal, coaching support Healthify, lazy tracking FitHub or Fisha, pick one. Stick with it. That's how you win. Weight loss isn't about finding the perfect app, it's about finding something you won't quit. Because the best app, is the one you actually use.